Chelsea from Attention to Details. My kids are off for the summer, and my son was actually detailing this car with me, and he had the great idea to do a little ASMR detail. So today, I hope you guys enjoy a little bit more of the sights and sounds of real day-to-day detailing. I was so excited to be able to highlight my son, and he actually helped to film a lot of this footage. So if you guys want to show some love to my son Charlie for his creativity and for filming this content, make sure you smash that like button down below. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you comment and subscribe for future details that we have coming out. But for now, let's get started with the detail. This is actually a 20-year-old Mercedes-Benz. It's been owned by the same owner since the day she bought it new, but it definitely has been neglected. This is actually a birthday present from her son, so we're gonna give this all the love that we can muster. First up, we're gonna start off by removing all of the heavily caked on brake dust. That purple is actually the cleaner and iron remover reacting with the brake dust on the wheels. This is a really powerful cleaner, but it's safe for all surfaces. As great of a cleaner as this is, we still need to use our brushes. And holy cow, were these wheels super satisfying to clean. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite tire cleaners. It melts the browning right off. Next up, we need to remove all of the pollen and caked on dirt from our door jambs. see here is actually kind of like a black mold or mildew that if it's not removed with a good contact wash, it will eventually actually start to eat into the clear coat. Luckily for us though, it looks like we can remove it with a good contact wash and clay towel treatment. Once we're done rinsing all of the soap off of the vehicle, we're going to come back in with our soapy water and our clay towel and remove all of the black bonded contaminants that are on the paint. They came off very easily and we were lucky that they didn't do any sort of permanent damage, but we're still going to polish at the end just to restore some of the gloss and shine on this paint and to thoroughly clean it. Headlight restoration. Unfortunately, there was quite a bit of damage on the inside of the headlights that we weren't able to remove, but we started off with 15,000, then 2,000, followed by 3,000 grit sandpaper, did a heavy compound and polish, and then applied the McKee's 37 graphene headlight coating, and you can see it made a big improvement. It's not 100%, but they're going to be able to see a lot better at night. This paint is super hard, so we're not chasing all of the defects, but we're going to clean the paint with a polish and restore gloss and shine. Using the Opert yellow foam pads along with the last cut compounding glaze. It did an exceptional job of cutting through some of the minor defects on this hard paint and cleaning up even our really filthy pillars. last few details, I've really been enjoying this product. I find that it is very easy to apply, leaves behind really nice gloss on the paint, and I'm really struggling to make it streak. So for those of you that like products that are just really easy to work with, this is one I am really enjoying. Many thanks to my son Charlie for not only helping me complete this detail, I couldn't have done it without him, but also for helping to film some of this really fun content. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this little bit of a different video than what I normally film. And if you want to see more content like this, let me know in the comment section down below, because he thinks it's awesome. And after quite a few hours, here is the final results of our 2004 Mercedes-Benz detail. From when we first started to now, this vehicle has gone under a dramatic transformation. We were able to remove all of the caked on pollen and dirt from the tight seals, as well as remove all of the nasty brake dust and just restore gloss and shine to this vehicle. I love to say that the vehicle stayed this clean and looks fantastic now, but unfortunately, Mother Nature decided to open up the heavens. While my son got to enjoy the rain after a long day's work, it wasn't necessarily the outcome I was looking for, but regardless, the customer was happy, and the vehicle turned out fantastic. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future details. It may not have been the ideal outcome or